is about to start. The line's about to fire up.
Yep, getting ready to go here. Everyone's coming up to their job now, making sure they got all their equipment that's ready. Once the bell rings, we hit the button. There it is right there, and then away we go. The chassis line's moving.
Where's the first stop?
Well, I think we should probably go check out IP install.
Be patient with me, all right?
No problem.
I'm learning.
No problem.
So this is Wally Simkus, and Wally's been here at the Chicago Assembly Plant for like 100 years or something?
Yeah, about that.
This specific area is called what?
Instrument panel install.
Instrument panel. Is that fancy talk for a dashboard?
Yeah, dashboard, steering wheel, radio, glove box. The whole sub-assembly is actually built about 50 yards to the southwest of here. What we use here in the plant for about, I don't know, the last 4 or 5 years, we've gone to DC motors or DC tooling. They used to be pneumatic. We went from pneumatic air tools to electric tools. They feed into an ACE box, which is an assembly information system. The benefit of that is they feed in every vehicle for every secure, for every torque will be recorded by VIN. The great thing about the ACE box, it allows for ISPC, which is in-station process control. She'll take this motor here, she'll go do her job, and she can look at the ACE box, it'll say secure complete. And if for whatever reason something happens, it'll show a failure.
Right.
So this is a tremendous improvement for the plant, because you can only have so many people checking so many joints.
How many of these get out of here per day?
We build a car every 60 seconds, so that's 60 an hour, 500 a day.
She just did it.
Yes.
I'm gonna watch her do it again.
All right.
Yeah. Kind of goes in by itself. Yeah. Can't stand right now. I'm putting in a dashboard.
And you're all done.
Thanks.
All right, so what you just did, you just shot lineup number 2814, where you got green, 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 green.
Right.
It means you're all good. You made a good car. Good job.
Thanks.